Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. I titled this video Testimony Time. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I am not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth, nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, I have my Ark on the other line. He's ready to tell his testimony. But before he speak on his testimony, I just want to go over the order with you all. As you all can see, this is the cover page or the first page of the order, and it's in the Court of Common Pleas of Allegheny County, Pennsylvania Family Division. I crossed out the plaintiff and defendant name and the case number. That's the order of the court. That's the judge name. Title 4D agency attorney. Pro se plaintiff, pro se defendant. Let's go to the order. All right, now this is the order. As you can see, it's in the Court of Common Pleas of Allegheny County, Pennsylvania Family Division. Again, crossed out the plaintiff and the defendant and the case number. Now let's go over the order. It says order of court. And now this 6th day of July 2018, after briefing and argument on defendant's exception, it is hereby ordered, adjudged, and decreed. The hearing officer recommendations dated April 11th, 2018 is hereby vacated. So his order is now vacated. But let's read number 2. Number 2, the matter is remanded for a support conference, and defendant can raise his paternity contest and request genetic testing at said conference. 3, plaintiff mother shall bring the child to the support conference for genetic testing. Alright, brother, so with that being said, we got the order, we read the order, we went over it. The floor is yours.
My situation went like, I was getting a letter of fraternity, and I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know how to address it. So Almano Salvers tells me, I got in touch with him. I found out about him, and I got in touch with him, and he was like, man, you can just mail it back, and then everything be okay. So mailing it back, couple months went away. Couple months went, and I started seeing the envelopes change in different type of ways. So I was like, man, I got to peek in one of these, see what's going on, just to see what it's saying. And I finally read one, and it had a support order. They had put me in default, charging me, excessive amount, about $1,000 a month. And the very next week, they were garnishing my wages. So, and I reached out to Magnify, because that's another person I had seen, and I just offered some help. Like, man, you can help me out, this and that. And we went over my situation and worked up a game plan. And the outcome was, what he just read, things vacated. So, yeah, I appreciate the help, man. It went well. It was a little bit stressful, but we ended up making a good game plan and got to the bottom of it.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Especially when you received that order, man, they was garnishing your wages. You called me, man, you was upset, man. You was like, what I'm gonna do, man? That's a lot of money. Like, I ain't got that much money to be paying a month. And they put you on the arrears too, didn't they?
Yeah, they put me $1,000 in arrears, so about $5-6 grand in arrears. They wasn't playing. They just threw some numbers out there, man, and hit me hard.
It's like whatever she asked for, they just gave it to her, huh?
Yeah, they hit me hard. They hit me real hard. I guess, I wasn't replying, so I guess they said, man, we just gonna shake him down for everything he got.
Exactly. And they was going at it too, man. When you called me, you was like, man, I don't know what to do. I was like, brother, I got you. We just got to get you out of that order that, that you had got into by not responding back. And this is the order right here. As you can see, his court date was on April 11th, 2018. And they just sent him this order July 6th, 2018. So they was collecting money from him all this time, even after he had won the case. Because he went to court the first time, what, two months ago? A month ago? Something like that?
About a month ago, yeah.
Yeah. And they just sending you this order. Because he was like, man, they still taking my money. I said, I know, bro. You got to wait till they make that order, but you going to win, We just got to wait until they make the order.
Actually, I apologize. It was 2 months ago.
It was
I went to the first hearing was 2 months ago, and then I went again, and
right.
they kept on taking them. I tried to freeze the order, but they wouldn't freeze it, so they just kept on taking.
Right. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, because they had you come for the first hearing, for you can get the exception, for you can be granted the exception. Then you had to file your brief and argument. Yeah, because we filed the brief and argument after you got the after they granted your exception, and then we did the brief and
Yeah.
argument, and then that's when they vacated the order. Right. Yep. You're right. It was 2 months. Yep. And we put in work. So let me ask you: do you remember the documents that we put into the court?
Yeah, yep. We put in that the motions and the special appearance.
Right. So it was only 2 documents, correct?
Yep, just two. Yep, just two. Short and sweet.
Okay. Because if people going around saying you got to do a writ of habeas corpus, did you file a writ of habeas corpus?
Nope. Nope.
How
I
about
don't know what it is.
how about a writ of mandamus?
No, never, nope. Didn't touch that. Don't even know what that is neither.
A federal lawsuit? You filed a federal lawsuit in federal court to get your order vacated?
No lawsuit.
Hold on, but did you have to sue your child's mom to get it vacated?
Nope.
So
No suing. Nope.
so we just went in where? What court was this? The family division court, right? The state side.
Yeah.
So
All we needed was the family.
so now your proof within itself that again you get the remedy out of the state, right?
Yeah, it gave me a lot of remedies. So yeah, definitely.
Yeah, cause you
Ain't
still
gotta go no further than that.
yeah, cause you still got more coming. If you look at number 2 and number 3, most people would think that they want to bring you back to court. Now they not bringing you. They don't want to bring you back to court. They trying to bring your child's mom back to court on the other documents we have. But we ain't gonna post that up though. You know what I mean? We can't show them all that.
They trying to give me a chance to recoup my losses. So they actually allow me to bring her back into court, and
Yeah,
for me
yeah,
to put
but
him on her.
yeah, because actually it's like they bringing her back in. They suing her. The suit is now against her. They bringing her for the lawsuit, but they just want you to be there.
Right. They want to see if I want to pursue it or not.
Exactly. So that's what 2 and 3 is about. So they won't get it mistaken. And also for those who don't believe, I also asked you, right? Then I asked you, can we put one of your pay stubs up? I'm gonna cross that information out, but one of your pay stubs up when they was taking your money, and then we're gonna put another pay stub up, probably within 2 weeks from now, where they're not taking your money.
Yeah, I can do that. Definitely, I can do that.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that just to show more proof, of garnishment really being taken away, and being taken away from off your check, so people can see more proof, because that's what people want to see. People want to see proof, man. People don't want to hear about going into these courts and that court, but can't nobody show that they winning. You see what I mean?
Right.
But I like to thank you, bro, for doing this testimony, man. It's very appreciated. You know what I mean? It's very appreciated.
No, I appreciate you. Definitely, yeah, no problem on this, and man, I appreciate the help and anything I can do for that. For the struggle, man.
Thanks a lot, brother. All praises go to Yah, man. The Most High Yah, man. Get all the praises, glory and honor to Him. I'm just trying to do His work, help as many brothers out as possible, man. That's it. That's all. You see what I mean? But like I said, man,
right.
Because like I said, you could have took your money and went to anybody else, and spent it on them. But you chose to come with me, and I'm glad I could give you the results that you was seeking.
Right. I'm glad I gave you a call too, man. I didn't know what I was getting into, but just over time, just felt right. We went at it, man. It came out good.
Yep, we went in, man, from 2 documents, only 2 documents, and we put them right on it, put them to bed, man. 2 documents, put them to bed.
Right.
The lawyer couldn't respond back. Nobody could respond back, man. We shut them down.
Yeah, it was nice. Wasn't no fight back, and a little bit of resistance, but it wasn't much.
Yeah, it wasn't much at all. Yeah, because
wasn't much.
It's like after he seen what we put in, we hit him with probably like a 4 or 5 page motion, and a special appearance, and then he responded back with like a 2-page motion. I was like, oh, it's over with now. And he had a 2-page response, man. That response was too small. You know, I was like, oh, brother, you got this. It's over with now. I said, only thing you gotta do is go to court and tell him you want this joint vacated. You went in there and did it.
Right.
Yeah, because you said the judge trying to give you a hard time or something at first. And then, and you said something about,
He was,
go ahead, I'm listening.
yeah, it was going pretty smooth. At first, he gave me the floor, and once I explained what was going on, he seemed like he understood from that. Once the Title 4D guy, he started talking, like he wasn't really saying much, and he put the brakes on that and just was like, all right, man, I'll make a decision. And it was over from there. They sent this letter out, the vacate letter, so, like, yeah, it was pretty open and shut, man. It was Title 4D didn't put up too much. Didn't put up no fight for real.
Yeah, he went in there and put him to bed, man. You know what I mean? Like I said, we put him to bed.
Yeah, they ain't put up too much fight.
Yeah, yeah. But the whole thing about it is, like people think that it's the documents that Armin Osiris put up. You didn't get none of those documents, did you? Did you see it?
I didn't.
Yeah, I ain't give you none of none of them documents you put up. You didn't put none of those documents up. You ain't seen none of them documents off. Like I said, I got so many multiple ways you can go by beating them, man. You know what I mean? Multiple ways. We just gotta go in and do it. You know what I mean? Just go in and do it. You went in there, you did that, brother. You went in there, you did that, man.
I appreciate it, man. With the help of you, man, I appreciate it.
Yeah, because you had called me when you left the court, but he was like, man, I think they're gonna vacate it because he said he told the judge, man, that's not. He said the judge told the lawyer, he was like, man, that ain't even what we here for. We here about this matter right here. And then the lawyer couldn't say nothing. I was like, yep, that's what we're talking about. We shut him down, man.
Yeah, they started talking like personal and like getting into situation problems, and judge was like, no, we sticking for the law. We only here for a certain matter. They tried to bring all types of other stuff and group it all together.
Yeah,
it was like, no, we only here for one matter, and that's it.
Exactly. My brother. All right, but I ain't gonna hold you, man. I know you got stuff you got to do. You know it's late on this Saturday night, man. So you have a good night. If you got anything else you want to say to the brothers before you roll,
just to reach out, man. Give it a call, man. If you can provide some good help, some good knowledge, man. So anybody out there that need it, man, they definitely need to give you a call because any help is good help in the fight. Got to be won. You can't let them win. So I recommend you highly, man. I appreciate everything you did.
Oh, most definitely, my brother, most definitely. Now your child's mom can't be talking that trash even like she was talking. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right.
We shut her up.
That's what, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she definitely. Yeah, I don't even want to go there, but yeah.
Yeah, I know. We got it, baby. We got this. I know, man. But that was yeah. We got this though, baby. So like I said, man, thanks again. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
If anybody need my help, hit me up at my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. Y'all all be blessed. Shalom, my brother, and shalom, YouTube.